Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel that is Length Triply with Vijay. Here it is the questions regarding the DC generator introduction. Coming to the first question, that is if the speed of your DC machine is 1500 RPM, then the time taken to complete one cycle rotation. That is the option D is the correct answer, that is 60 by 1500 seconds. That means we have 1 minute to have 60 seconds. So option D is a 60 by 1500 second is the correct answer. Coming to the second question, that is which of the following is not a type of a self-excited DC generator? That is here it is the asking not a self-excited DC generator. We have three types of self-excited DC generator, that is shunt wound DC generator, compound DC generator and series wound DC generator. We have to clear explanation regarding the shunt wound DC generator. That means it is the field winding is parallel to the armature. So here it is not here it is a self-excited DC generator. Coming to the compound DC generator, that means here it is a both series field as well as parallel field. So here it is also a self-excited DC generator. So option D, that is series wound DC generator. That means the field winding is wounded series to the armature. So option D is also wrong answer. So here it is the option B is the correct answer, that it is permanent magnet field DC generator. That is here it is the magnet flux is generated by using the permanent magnets. So here it is a permanent magnet DC generator is not a self-excited DC generator. Coming to the next question, that is option question number 3, that is exciting current for DC generator is currently described by the which of the following current. That is here it is the exciting current means field current. So simply option B is the correct answer, that is current carried by the field windings is the our answer. Coming to the question number 4, that is if two pole DC generator is running at 1500 rpm, the frequency of induced EMF in the armature winding of the generator. Here it is the asking frequency. You have to know the relation between the frequency, speed and poles, that is ns equal to 120 f by p. By using that relation we have to write the formula for f, that is ns into p by 120. Here it is a ns equal to 1500 into 2 by 120. You have to cancel out, you have to after simplification 25 hs is the our answer. Coming to the question number 5th, that is two DC mission A and B using the same conducting material having the armature circuit resistance of zero point 0.4 units and 1.2 units respectively. Here the option B is the correct answer, that is A is bigger than B for the same voltage rating. Here do you have to consider the same voltage rating for two DC missions. Then here it is the zero point 0.4 units armature circuit resistance and 1.2 units armature circuit resistance. That is 1.4 unit means we have more parallel parts as compared to the DC mission B. So option B is the correct answer. Coming to the question number 6, that is A dash works on the principle of dynamically induced EMF. Here it is the principle of dynamically induced means we have generator is works on the principle of the dynamically induced EMF. So option B is the correct answer. Coming to the question number 7, that is the speed of a DC machine can be measured by an tachometer. By using the tachometer, we have to measure the speed of the DC machine. Coming to the question number 8, that is residual magnetism is necessary in a DC shunt generator, not a separate excited generator, because here it is a the field winding is excited by external source. So here it is not a necessary of the residual magnetism. Here it is a motor you have no need of the residual magnetism. Coming to the question number 9, it is a generator develops 200 volts as an internal resistance of 100 ohms. Find the power delivered to the load of 100 ohms. It is a generator develops, that is generated voltage equal to 200 volts and internal resistance is 100 ohms and the load resistance is 200 ohms. Coming to the, you have to calculate the initial first load current. That means it is a generating voltage is equal to 200. Here it is internal resistance and load resistance are connected in series. So total equivalent resistance equal to 100 plus 100 equal to 200 ohms. By using the Ohm's law, we have to calculate the load current IL equal to Eg by R equivalent. Here it is equal to 200 volts. Here it is 100 plus 100. That is 200. 200 by 200 equal to 1 amperes. We have to calculate the power delivered to the load. That means P equal to I square RL. It is I equal to 1 ampere, RL equal to 100 ohms. So we have to I square into 100. That is 1 square into 100. That is equal to 100 watts. So 100 watts is our answer. That is option B is our correct answer. Coming to the 10th question. That is which of the following options for the role of a generator in a power system. Role of generator in a power system, that is generator, it is uses to convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. So option B is our correct answer. Coming to the question number 11, that is in DC machine torque is proportional to both flux and armature. So option C is the correct answer. Coming to the permanent magnet excitation is also known as separate excitation. So here it is a question, permanent magnet excitation. That means separate excitation is our answer. I have to see in the question number 2 is the same regarding to question number 12 explanation. Coming to the question number 13, that is a for a DC machine shunt resistance and armature resistance values are shunt. That means parallel. You have more resistance, high value of resistance, and armature resistance is very low. That is option B. That is high and low is our correct answer. Question number 4, armature reaction effects cause flux to reduce with decreasing torque. You have to know the relation T is directly proportional to pi A. Because next question number recording, question number 15, that is a DC generator can be termed as rotating amplifier. Next question number 16. If generator is failed to build up voltage, then what would be the possible reason? We have clearly showing the options. That is option B is the correct answer because we have to know the relation between N is directly proportional to EB by pi. Next question number 17. Which of the following theorem uses current generator? Is a current generator. Superposition is not regarding, maximum power is not regarding, Thevenin is regarding to the voltage. So option D is the Norton's theorem is regarding the current. So option D is the correct answer. Next question number 18. The rating of generator is 2 kilowatts, 200 volts DC. Generator supply of load current. Here it is the power is given and voltage is given. We have to calculate the load current. That means we have to know the relation between P equal to V into I. So we have to calculate the I by using this relation. That is I equal to P by B. Here it is P is a 2 kilowatt. That means 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watts. So 2 kilowatt means 2000 watts by 200 volts, that is 10 amperes is our load current. So IL equal to 10 amperes for, here it is the correct answer. Here it is the questions regarding to the introduction to the DC generator. Thank you for watching this lecture.